Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Shafi 360 YouTube channel. How are you doing all? Today I am going to show you how to fix these system compatibility reports in Adobe Premiere Pro software. Let's get started. Welcome again. Let us start fixing this error. While I'm opening this software, it's showing me this dialog box. Here showing system compatibility reports, and in the below is another option, continue with known issues. We are going to enter into the software to fix this error by clicking this continue with known issues option. Now you see here Adobe Premiere Pro welcome interface is open. You will not see any project under this welcome interface if you open this software for the first time. Let's go from here to menu bar. In menu bar there is one option called edit. In edit option there is one sub menu named preference. We are going from preference to general. Now we are opening the general tab. Here you see some options are below in the general tabs. Under these options, here you see system compatibility report option is also available here. It was check mark in my system. Now I'm going to untick this check mark from my system. Now click OK. Now I'm going to restart my software from here. Now I close the software. Let's reopen the software. We are going to check if the report is showing again or not. Now you see this time system compatibility report is not showing again. Hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video.